Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Safari app not working after iOS 17 update. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, if you want to open Safari and its page is not opening or it's crashing, then I'll show you how can you fix this type of error. So here are 4 or 5 common methods to solve this problem. So first of all, you have to open settings, and first of all you have to make sure that you are properly connected with internet. Now from here you have to turn on aeroplane mode at least for the 60 seconds and then turn it off, and after a few seconds try to check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do is just simply you have to tap on general. Now from here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to make sure that your date and time is correct. Basically when your date and time is not correct, then your Safari is not working there. So you have to close this page from here, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And of course is there guys, then what you need to do is just simply you have to open settings. From here guys, you have to tap on screen time. From here you have to scroll it down, tap on content and privacy restrictions. Now if this tool is turned on, just simply you have to make sure that if Safari is allowed from here. Okay guys, now after that, check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do is just simply you have to open settings again. Now from here guys, you have to look at for Safari app again. Now tap on that. Now scroll it down, tap on clear history and website data. Here it is guys. Now you can customize last hour, today and yesterday, all history. Tap on all history, tap on clear history, and after that your history will be cleared. Then you have to restart your device, and after that I will continue, your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.